Hey everybody, it's me, Sissy. Before I get to the Dollar Tree haul, I just want to tell everybody thank you. I'm not going to cry. Thank you for all your thoughts and prayers and cards and messages. It's been really hard, but we're getting through it. So let's get to the Dollar Tree haul. Okay, y'all. My Dollar Tree actually had some of the LA Awesome bleach in. I was glad to find that. They hadn't been having it. It's been kind of hard to find. I've been having some smaller containers of it, some kind of concentrated bleach cleaner, but it wasn't good on just bleach. So I found that, and then I got some beautiful flowers. So pull these out the bag. I got these beautiful sunflowers, and I got some of the fern, the foliage, and it has the pretty leaves like that, and then it has these just a few of the little kind of plasticky green leaves in it too. So I got 4 bunches of those, and I got some flowers from Michael's too. I'll show you those at the end. They were on clearance, 70 or 80% off, but I picked up some of those. And this is called Aspic Spikes. So I got 3 of those. So these are beautiful florals. Okay. And I got some of this cute little Dollhouse Furniture. I have found some videos on YouTube of people who are taking the Dollar Tree Dollhouse Furniture and making it over for the 1/12 size dollhouses. And I happened to have one. I was doing some cleaning up, and my ex-boyfriend had got it for me. It was kind of damaged and beat up, but it's a beautiful dollhouse, and I thought I might start working on it. So I picked up some of the Dollhouse Furniture. I got the the dresser, the table, another dresser. I thought I got, oh yeah, and the dining table. So I thought I would see what I could do with those, kind of keep myself busy a little bit. And it's so hot here. I have picked up some hair clips, and actually 3 packs of them, but 1 pack I've already stole the clip out of it and clipped my hair up, get it off my neck. I think it was in the 90s here today. It was really, really hot. So let's see. And talking about the heat, I actually have signed up for my first 5K walk. I can't run 5K. I can walk a little bit, run a little bit, walk a bit. Anyway, I signed up, and it's virtual because we're doing the social distancing. So you just sign up for it. You get your T-shirt and your you just track your miles, and then But anyway, and of course I know some of y'all know it. I don't know if everybody remember, but I'm a big Harry Potter fan, so it's the Wizard Run. So I got a Harry Potter shirt for that. But anyway, just trying to stay busy and get off some of these staying at home, emotional eating carbs, weight I've gained. But anyway, I got some of the Extra Care Women's Dry Antiperspirant Spray. This is great. I love that. And then in the Crafter, this is not in any order, I just got it thrown in the bag. I got the Crafter Square brush cleaning pot. I don't know if it's going to focus on it, but I thought that'd be good. I'm trying to get my craft room organized and cleaned out. And my Dollar Tree is putting out fall stuff, and I just missed all the summer stuff. So. But I picked up 2 of these 9-foot garlands, one with the white beads and one with the red beads, burgundy red, and they're 9 feet each. So I picked those up. And of course I got my pet waste bags, the poop bags, and these are smaller than the ones I usually get. These have 60 in it instead of the 80, but the 80 are hit and miss. Sometimes they tear good, sometimes they don't. And that's another of the Extra Care Women's Dry Antiperspirant Spray. Actually, I got 3 cans of it. Then I found this cute little Piggy Bank. It's got plastic in it. I'm going to try to do a DIY with him and turn him into a planter. So you may see a video on that, depending on what's going on and how I feel. So, but then I picked up 2 of these baseball caps, and these are actually 100% polyester. So I'm going to try to use my sublimation printer and print a logo or something to go on this hat and see if I can make it work. Dollar Tree is a good place to get things to practice on when you're just, because I'm just getting started with it, and I thought I would see if I could do a hat. And then I picked up from the kitchen department one of these silicone pot holders. I got this to go in my glue gun stand, because if it drips on here, then I can just peel it off. So I thought that would be good. And then I picked up a couple of little plates. I'm going to make a, excuse me for a minute, my nose is running. Three, two, one. Okay, I picked up a couple of these plates. I'm making a 3-tiered tray, and I couldn't remember if I needed, I'm going to make it red and white, and I couldn't remember if I needed a red one or a white one for the top. So I just picked up one of each. Whichever one I don't use on the tray, I'll just stick in the cabinet to use. And I don't have a big haul, just a few things. So this is, I'm almost to the end. But I picked up the waste bags. I got 2 packs of those. And then I'm thinking about redecorating in my bathroom a little bit. And so I picked up the really cute soap dispenser. The one that says lather, rinse, repeat. I got that. I got a new soap dish. It says soap and suds. And I got a toothbrush holder, but I didn't have the one that had the writing on it, so I just got the plain one, plain white one. So I picked those up, and just a couple more items in my bag here. Yeah, a couple of food items. I don't usually do much food from the Dollar Tree, but I picked this up for my son, the High Five Premium Blend Honey syrup. It's not real honey, but it's honey flavored syrup, so I picked that up for him. And then I got a little bottle of the Frank's Red Hot Wing Sauce. I love this, and it's low carb, doesn't have the best ingredients in it. If you're really strict keto, this wouldn't be for you, but it's okay if you're doing low carb and you don't mind the different oils. I think it has soybean oil in it or something like that. I can't remember, and I don't have my glasses, so I can't see. I picked up some of this Home Bright Smoke Odor Eliminator. Neutralizes cigarettes, pet, bathroom, and garbage odors. So I picked that up. I picked up a can a couple of weeks ago, and it works really good. And you know, I do have I have 2 dogs, and my son has 2 dogs. So we are a doggy household, but I can't stand to smell dogs. So that comes in handy. And then I picked up the Spa Life face wraps, avocado and vitamin E. And how many is in here? There's 3 wraps in here, so I thought I'd give them a try. And my last thing, so it was, I told you it wasn't a very big haul, but I picked up some laundry detergent, the orange LA Awesome, but I've already used it on the laundry. So I got the Nestle Splash fruit flavored wild berry waters. These are great. I love these, trying to drink a lot. But anyway, that is my Dollar Tree haul, and if y'all hold on just a minute, I'll show you the flowers that I got on clearance. This is the first one I got. This was regularly $9.99, and it was 75% off, so I got it for $2.50. It's got the cute roses and the sunflowers in it, and sunflowers were my dad's favorite, and roses were my mom's favorite. So I'm going to make an arrangement to take to the cemetery. And I got these gorgeous little sunflowers, and These were the same. They were $9.99, so I got them for $2.50. So I picked up a couple of bunches of those. And then this was my favorite by far, and it was only $7.99. So 75% off or whatever that was. So like it was like $2, but I thought this was really cute, so I picked these up. And I'm going to use them with the florals that I got from Dollar Tree, and you know, mix them together. I think they'll look good and make a big bouquet to take for the cemetery. But anyway, y'all, that's it. That's my Dollar Tree haul, and hopefully I'll be back soon with the DIY. I've got several projects lined up ready to go, and so y'all, it's good to be back. I missed y'all, but I'm not gonna be sad. Y'all have a great day, and remember, if Sissy can do it, y'all can do it too. Bye, y'all.